This video will be all about AllDebrid, a review for 2026. AllDebrid is a paid link generator which enables fast download speeds through more than 80 hosts. Thus, it is widely used for accessing legally protected content such as private cloud storage documents or torrents of public domain files. In 2026, AllDebrid will provide stable operation with download speed of over 800 Mbps for premium connections and almost instant streaming playback in combination with media centers like Streamio or Kodi. For the pricing, AllDebrid stays affordable compared to other similar providers, providing 30-day subscriptions for 3.99 euros. For potential subscribers, they have an initial 7-day trial period to check whether the hoster will work with their content. There is also the 300-day long-term plan for 24.99 euros, or around 2.50 euros per month. Compared to rivals like Premiumize, AllDebrid will be considerably cheaper, costing about 10 euros monthly. For its key features, it has an unlimited download feature for premium links, torrent caching at the server side for immediate play, and compatibility with download manager tools such as JDownloader 2. There is a built-in web player that plays files directly in the browser without any need for additional applications, making it suitable for handling large legal file collections. Most users appreciate its custom browser extension that can grab links directly from compatible sites, although users must make sure their VPN is listed as cooperative to prevent brief IP blockages. For its performance in 2026, latest technology analysis have shown fast 4K HDR video streams and efficient multi-threading download performance. Its performance with heavy traffic hosters has improved compared to earlier years, and the service now performs better than other expensive solutions in terms of cost versus speed performance. Its reliability has been outstanding after recent infrastructure improvements in the latter part of 2025, ensuring stability during peak evening times. So, is it worth it? AllDebrid truly offers great value for only about 4 euros per month for fast hosting of your content, which is comparable to RealDebrid in performance but has a slightly different list of supported hosters. So if you're looking for a premium links tool that will not cost you too much money and has no fancy extras, you won't find anything better than this one. Of course, remember to check their TOS before using the service. AllDebrid offers great performance and value when it comes to downloading public files in 2026. So, have you used AllDebrid? Comment down below and don't forget to subscribe.